Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install from Megalook Hair. This is Megalook's 5x5 HD lace highlight wavy bob closure wig. Now I know you guys see these beautiful highlights. I feel like Megalook Hair is probably one of the best brands when it comes to highlighted wigs because they have so many options. But we will be styling this wavy bob wig today, so let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so here is the wig. It comes nicely packaged, which is great. Once again, this wig is from Megalook Hair. This is their 5x5 HD lace highlight wavy bob closure wig. This wig also does come in a 13x4 just in case you are interested. But with this 5x5 closure, you are able to do a glueless install. So it has the elastic band and the combs. I'm giving you guys a close-up of the lace. As you guys can see, the knots are not too bad at all. However, the lace is pretty white, so you might want to use some lace tint or some makeup to make it match your skin color. So let's go ahead and get started. I did wash and blow out the hair off camera as well, and I also did bleach the knots to my liking as well. But I'm just giving you guys a close-up of the inside of the wig, that elastic band, and I'll be giving you guys a close-up of that lace also. So the first thing that I did was just throw the wig onto my head, just make sure everything is fitting nice and tight. And then I believe the first thing I did was secure the middle part because I'm doing a middle part today. But as you guys see right now, I am using the combs inside the wig. I do like to use the combs inside of my wigs. I feel like it helps the wig fit even more snug. So now I'm just using my rigid scissors and I'm just cutting off all the additional lace that I no longer need because we do not want that on there, obviously. And then once I was secure with that, I did go ahead and go back in with my wax stick and a hot comb just to make the top of the wig look as flat as possible. And then we are going to secure that lace, so I will come back when it's that time. Okay, she is laying nice and flat. I know you guys see the color of that lace. Do not worry, we will get to that in a second. So being that this lace is kind of thin, it's more so on the thinner side, at least in my personal opinion, I will just be going in with some even melting spray. I feel like that's all that it needed. The melting spray is a much lighter holding spray. It's not any type of glue at all. However, this spray will keep your wigs nice, tight, and secure. And there also is no additional residue, which is what I wanted. So now that the melting spray is tacky, I'm just going to lay that lace down. I'm also going to be using my rat tail comb to push the lace in as well. Once the lace is secure and is pretty much dry, then I added some more melting spray right on top, and then we will be going in with the elastic band that Megalook Hair had sent inside the package, and we're really going to melt that lace. I left the elastic band on for like 10 minutes. Okay, lace is officially secure, so now I'm just going to be adding some makeup on that lace, and you guys will literally see it just disappearing, which is exactly what we want. So obviously I will be doing it at the edges of the lace and the middle part as well. Alright, now it is time to style the rest of the hair. Being that this is a closure wig, the install portion was real quick and easy, so I hope you guys were able to follow along just perfectly fine. So as far as styling the rest of the hair, I wanted to bring back those waves back. Remember, this is a wavy bob wig, but also I feel like this wig will eat if it was left straight as well. So I do feel like you guys have that option. The hair was straight for the majority of the videos, so you guys were able to see what it will look like straight. So I honestly feel like this bob would look amazing if it was straight, but being that this is a wavy bob, I wanted to add those waves back in there. So I did add some hairspray off camera, and then I used my curling wand to bring some of those waves back. Okay, you guys, we are finished. As you guys can see, I brought some of those waves back. Not too much. It really looks very effortless, which is what I wanted. And the highlights in this wig just pop. That's definitely what I love. Comment down below and let me know if you feel like the hair looks amazing wavy or if you like it better straight. Me personally, I feel like it looks nice both ways. So I will have all of the information listed at the very top of the description box down below. Megalook Hair always comes through when it comes to their highlight wigs, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. I will see you guys next time.